One day, when I was in 7th grade, I wondered, how many parts are there to a trumpet that you can take apart? So today I will be showing you on how many parts there is to a trumpet. Okay, so first, you have the full trumpet, and I start by taking out the mouthpiece, do a slight turn as you pull out, and then you go unscrew the valves. I usually like to keep them in order. You screw them counterclockwise. I like to keep them in order by 1, 2, and 3. First valve, second valve, third valve. So I don't mess up where to put them back. I don't know if there is a difference between the 3, but that's for a later date. So I have all 3 valves out, so it'll let air flow through the trumpet nicely and neatly without having to push down any valves. So I start by taking out the main tuning slide, and I'll take that out and stick it right here. And then I like to put these kick slides in chronological order. We'll start with the first thumb saddle, then the second valve, and then the kick slide. And as you can see, that is a fully dismantled trumpet. So now I'll show you how to put it back together and then show you that it works. You put the valves and the kick slides back in. Like so, as I am demonstrating now. And make sure you get the right slides in the right holes. And as you can see, since I kept them in order, I know how to put them back in the instrument. So I'll turn it until you hear a click, and once you hear the click, it's in place. So that's okay, and go ahead to screw it back on clockwise, as I'm doing so with all 3 of my valves. And then you put the mouthpiece in, and you slightly turn it. And I shall show you it works now. Thank you guys for watching and listening to my video on how to disassemble and reassemble your trumpet.